Currently, there is one abductor. Brittany Nicole
Amber Alert, North Carolina!
Sanford is described as a 26-year-old white female, 5 feet 7 inches tall, weighing approximately 130 pounds. She has brown hair and green eyes. It is unknown whether the suspect was last wearing. Suspect was last seen at 825 Russ Avenue, the McDonald's in Waynesville, North Carolina. Unknown direction of travel or destination. The vehicle is a white...
Approximately 2 feet 2 inches tall, weighing 30 pounds. He has blonde hair and blue eyes. It is unknown what the...
7785. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Haywood County Sheriff's Office immediately at 828-425-6600 or call 911 or star...
He has brown hair and green eyes.
This is a notification
for an Amber Alert. Whether the suspect was last wearing. The suspect was last seen at 825 Russ Avenue, the McDonald's in Waynesville, North Carolina. Unknown direction of travel or destination. The vehicle is a white 2015 Lexus RX with North Carolina license tag number EFN 7785. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Haywood County Sheriff's Office immediately at 828-425-6600 or call 911 or star HP. Again, this is a notification for an Amber Alert.
You gotta be kidding me! You gotta be kidding me! This is the last thing I... Shut up, Hannah! You gotta be kidding me! This is the last thing I wanted to catch tonight! Seriously? I mean, I know that's another EAS to add to the catches I caught, but trust me, I am not happy. Because it's an Amber Alert.
We wouldn't be happy. Anyway, look at my 120.
Hold on, Katie. Shite. Damn Amber Alerts. Gotta love them, right? No! They suck!
No. No thanks. I'll pass on that one.
They suck.